Today I'm going to save you years of frustration. Throw away your reference tracks. That's right, throw them away. If you are using reference tracks, you're cheating.
No, please don't do that. Reference tracks are not cheating. They are one of the most useful tools in mixing. Professional engineers use reference tracks to compare their mixes to professionally mixed songs.
Real audio engineers mix completely blind. When I mixed records, I never listened to another song. Not ever. I just guessed.
Reference tracks help you evaluate bass, vocals, brightness, stereo width, and overall balance.
I don't compare bass. I don't compare vocals. I don't compare anything. I just turn knobs until I feel something.
After listening to your own mix for hours, your ears begin to adapt. Reference tracks help reset your perspective.
My ears never get tired. My ears are highly trained. I can listen to the same mix for 12 hours straight. Volume matching is for cowards. Everything should be louder. Once I think it's done, I add more bass.
A reference track is not something you copy. It is something you compare against.
Reference tracks are a shortcut. Real audio engineers don't need shortcuts. We trust our instincts. So remember, throw away your reference tracks. Trust your feelings. I stand by everything I said.
Billy is completely wrong. Don't take mixing advice from Billy. Here's a simple process. Choose 1 to 3 professionally mixed songs in the same style. Match the playback volume, then compare the bass, vocals, brightness, and stereo image. Make small adjustments. Then, stop comparing and finish the mix. Again, the goal is not to copy another mix. The goal is to stay in the ballpark.
Fine, maybe I'll try a reference track. Just don't tell anybody I said that.